फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मम्मा पापा सीख। आज हम इंडिया आवर कंट्री पढ़ेंगे फर्स्ट लेसन और मेरा नाम है स्मिता चौधरी। पहला, आवर कंट्री इंडिया इज अ वर्स्ट कंट्री लोकेटेड इन द southern part of the continent of Asia. India stretch of about 3,214 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir in the north of Kanyakumari in the south. Its breadth of Gujarat is the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. 2,933 kilometers is 33 kilometers. The width of the India decreases as we move towards the south. In terms of area, India is the seventh largest country in the world. According to the pollution, India is the second largest country. China ranks first in population. Neighbor countries of India. The countries which share their lands borders with which as follows: Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. India surrounds Bangladesh on three sides. Our neighbors across the sea in the south are Sri Lanka and Maldives. India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Do you know Rajasthan is the largest state in India? The smallest state is Goa. The physical divisions of India. India is the worst country, all of you. It is also differed from one place to another. On the basic of physical features, India can be divided into following physical divisions. First one, the northern mountains, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains and islands. The huge Himalaya mountains spread India from much of the rest of Asia. They also protect the chilling cold winds. The southern part of India is a peninsula. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal. Along the east coast, the Arabian Sea. Along the west coast, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India has a long coastal line because southern India is surrounded by water on three sides. The southernmost tip of the India mainland is Kanyakumari. However, the southernmost tip of Indian Union is the Indira Point in the Nicobar district of Andaman and Nicobar. Do you know, in the 26th December 2004, tsunami. Indra Point submerged 4.25 meter in the sea and its lighthouse was damaged. The lighthouse has been made functioning since then. Now we will learn new words. India, India, India. Continents. Population. Neighboring Afghanistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives. State. Union territory. Physical features. Northern mountains, northern plains, western desert. Southern plateau, coastal plains, islands, Indra Point. Now we will learn question answers. In which continent is India located? India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Name the 6 countries that are larger in size than India. Only 6 countries in the world are larger in size than India. In order of their areas, they are Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. Name the neighboring countries of India. The countries which share the border with India are as follows: China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Name the following. First one, water body along the east coast is the Bay of Bengal. Water body along the west coast is Arabian Sea. The water body along the south coast is Indian Ocean. What are the different landforms found in India? India can be divided into following physical divisions. First one, northern plain, northern mountains. Second one, northern plains. The third one, western desert. Fourth one, the southern plateau. The fifth one, the coastal plains and islands. Now we will learn the objectives. You should tell the answers in the comments. Fill in the blanks. India is the dash largest country in the world. Okay, second, Jammu and Kashmir, South, Peninsula or 7th. Options are there. And second one is dash is the northernmost union territory of India. Second, Jammu Kashmir, South Peninsula or 7th. These are only options. Okay, India is the dash most populated country in the world. Options are second, Jammu Kashmir, South Peninsula or 7th. The width of India decreases as we move towards dash. The options are second, Jammu and Kashmir, South Peninsula, 7th. The southern part of India is a dash. Second, Jammu Kashmir, South Peninsula or 7th. Tick the correct answer. India is located in the continent of Europe, Australia or Asia. The northern mountains lie to the east, west, north. The options are these 3-1. And the smallest state in India is Sikkim, Goa or Kerala. The largest state in India is Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab. The southern part of India is desert, peninsula, plain. Thank you.